Have you ever wondered what really happens to your brain when you go days, weeks, or even months without any social contact? I'm not just talking about skipping a party or taking a weekend off from group chats. I mean serious, total isolation. Let's dive into what science says about your brain and your mind when you cut yourself off from the world. First off, humans are wired for connection. From the beginning, we've survived by sticking together. Our brains actually reward us for social interaction. It triggers the same parts as eating chocolate or hearing your favorite song. So, when that social stimulation disappears, things start to get weird, fast. Within just a few hours of isolation, your brain's stress system fires up. Cortisol, the stress hormone, rises. You might feel restless, anxious, or like the walls are closing in. After a day or two, you can start losing your sense of time. Hours blur together. Your thought patterns might get fuzzy, and your memory? It takes a hit too. But if the isolation drags on, things get even stranger. Research with people in extreme isolation, polar explorers, astronauts, prisoners in solitary confinement, shows that the brain starts to crave social input the same way it craves food when you're hungry. You might start talking to yourself or even hallucinating voices just so your brain can fill that social void. Your sleep might go haywire because without social cues, your internal clock gets confused. You might feel sad, hopeless, or even depressed. Some people develop paranoia, feeling like they're being watched or that the world outside is hostile. But here's the wild part. Our brains are super adaptable. In some cases, people develop vivid daydreams or imaginary friends just to stay sane. It's your brain's way of protecting itself, like building a mental playground to survive the loneliness. Of course, not everyone reacts the same way. Some people are more resilient, others are more sensitive. But the science is clear. Long-term isolation changes your brain, sometimes even shrinking areas linked to learning and memory, and making it harder to handle stress. So, what can you do if you're feeling lonely? Even small things help. Sending a text, making a phone call, or just chatting with someone at the store. Your brain doesn't need thousands of friends. It just needs a little connection. If you've ever felt the effects of isolation, you're not alone. It's a universal experience, and there's no shame in reaching out for support. A little connection can go a long way to keeping your brain healthy and happy. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-bending science. Stay curious and take care of yourself and your brain.